Finally, the top bike bell is the Crane bike bell, which sounds like this. If you're looking for a premium bell, this is without doubt the one to get. Crane markets their bells as built to last and have a few different styles, including polished brass, chrome, and brushed copper. The ring of a brass bell like this resonates far longer when compared to other materials. The pleasantness of the ring should really come second to safety and loudness, but with this bell, you get both. All of them produce a clear, loud note, have a classic look, and are super high quality. While the concept of a spring-loaded hammer on a bell is very straightforward, the reliability can't be denied, and with its high-end Japanese construction, it really sets this bell apart from the rest. You will find this is a compact bell that can be easily positioned on top of the handlebar or in front of the bar for a more aerodynamic, less visible profile. It also takes up very little handlebar space, so you can fit other accessories like a bike light, phone, or GPS. It's a bicycle bell that looks equally at home on retro city bikes, sleek carbon fiber road bikes, and rugged mountain bikes. Moreover, this is a bicycle bell truly made for cyclists who care about the little things. It's made with a highly adjustable and rust-resistant stainless steel mount and springs. There are no plastic parts at all, which is an incredibly rare thing in this day and age, but well worth it. So if you want the best of the best, this is the bike bell for you. Its pros are, it's made to an incredibly high standard, it produces a pleasingly clear and loud note, it's very sleek to fit any bike, and it is entirely made from metal, so it will last for many years to come. However, the hammer is quite far from the bell, so it requires a strong flick of the lever to ring the bell. The Crane bike bell is a brilliantly designed bell that will always provide a reliable and clear ring for when you need to alert people to the presence of you and your bike. It is recommended for anyone wanting an instant premium quality upgrade for their bike. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.